Canadian Morbark is a major manufacturer of sawmill equipment for the North American market. A subsidiary of Morbark Industries, Canadian Morbark can supply complete equipment packages, including debarkers, sawmills, edgers and combination systems, resaws, material handling systems, chippers, trimmers, and green chains. Canadian Morbark can design and equip mills from 2 million to 12 million board feet annually for softwood and hardwood markets. The mill featured in this presentation cuts 58,000 board feet of grade softwood lumber per shift with 8 men. Logs entering the mill are first processed by the Morbark 640 debarker. The 640 debarker, equipped with 25-foot in-feed and 25-foot out-feed, debarks logs 4 inches to 40 inches in diameter and will run from 800 to 1,600 16-foot logs in one 8-hour shift. An important feature of the Morbark 640 debarker is that it removes knots as well as the bark, resulting in smoother flow and easier handling. In this installation, the outfeed is equipped with a double set of kickers to feed a twin mill. Material flow from the 640 debarker outfeed, kicked onto a live deck, flows to an air-operated 6-arm stop-and-loader. Two 54-foot Morpack mills, each with 4 knees and 42-inch carriage openings, receive the logs. The carriages are equipped with 6-position set works with 2-speed electric drive on the set shaft. Carriage feed speed is 540 feet per minute. The knee speed is 12 feet per minute forward and 24 feet per minute in reverse. The dogs, up and down, in and out, and tapers are controlled by solenoid-operated air cylinders. The Morpack mills incorporate piston bar log turners positioned in the stop-and-loader frames. This installation uses 6-foot, double-cut Comac T bands. Pop-up transfers on the mill outfeeds direct material flow to the edgers. Mill outfeeds and stop gates are controlled by the edger operator. 2 Morbark 6x36-inch edgers feature 3 movable saws, self-tailing outfeed, air stacking positioner cylinders, and programmable controller. A second pop-up transfer incorporated in the extension roll case of the right-hand mill feeds material to the band resaw. Only heavy slabs and timbers are transferred to the resaw, permitting the head rig to make fewer cuts when small logs are being processed, increasing productivity. The resaw infeed roll case incorporates 2 cradle-type cant turners and hourglass pop-up slab aligner rolls, all controlled by the operator. Material from the line bar side of the resaw carries through to a turtleback table and incline transfer where the resaw operator routes the material to the edger or directly to the output turtleback table. Material from the feed roll side of the resaw is carried on a spiral roll case to a low-profile return conveyor, where the operator returns the material to the resaw or disposes of the slab. Both mills, both edgers, and the resaw feed the output turtleback table. From the turtleback table, material flows to a two-man Canadian-style trimmer. The Morbark Canadian-style trimmer can accommodate softwood production of up to 80,000 board feet per shift. All the chippable waste comes together at two 20-foot vibrating conveyors, which feed the Morbark 58-inch 6-knife chip pack, which chips and screens 90 tons of waste per shift. The Goulard Mill in Sturgeon Falls, Ontario, is one example of a modern, efficient sawmill designed and equipped by Canadian Morbark. For custom design to meet your individual requirements, backed by top-quality sawmill equipment, look to Canadian Morbark.